So let's talk a little bit more about the use of the very demure, very mindful trademarks. In a previous video, I explained that there is a process, and I don't think that this TikToker has completely lost all the rights to using very demure, very mindful. But she needs to act. But there's something else to consider. Check this out. Everyone is using the very demure, very mindful slogan for other things. We see celebrities remaking them. I've seen things talking about different cities and using very demure, very mindful related to being a part of that city. So what does this mean in relation to the trademark? If you don't already follow me, I'm attorney LBJ. I'm a trademark lawyer, and I like to help small businesses understand brand protection through hot topics like very demure, very mindful. Well, this can go one of two ways. The more common way would be to presume that the use by other people is just a parody of this trademark, right? So they're not trying to claim that they own it. They are not trying to claim that they have intellectual property rights to it, but they're simply using the trend as a parody of what the TikToker said. And a parody isn't a problem until you start talking about if it is used in commerce in the same way that the intellectual property owner uses it. Let's think of the Nike "Just Do It" slogan. Celebrities can get on and say "just do it." Other people can say "just do it." But if another shoe company or something similar were to say "just do it," now you're sneaking into trademark territory that could be problematic. And to some extent, if a celebrity that Nike didn't want to be associated with was saying "just do it" as it relates to apparel or other things, then also they could step in and try to stop them from doing such. So while the very demure, very mindful slogan being used by companies as big as McDonald's is not necessarily problematic, there are some things that the trademark owner may want to think about. And I say trademark owner because although she has not applied for a trademark through the United States Patent and Trademark Office quite yet, she does have common law rights that she can prove she was the original creator of that slogan. But a trademark can be diluted. That means it's so overused that it fails to continue to function as a trademark. Think escalator. That was actually the name of a brand of moving stairs. But now we all call every set of moving stairs an escalator. Escalator lost their trademark. Therefore, if too many people use very demure, very mindful as a slogan to just throw out there, it can become diluted. Now, we're not there yet because this TikToker has not claimed ownership of this trademark in any area of goods or services. Remember, trademarks are brand identifiers, and so the slogan has to be connected with something, a massage business, a food business, clothing, whatever. It has to have some connection, and she hasn't quite gotten that far yet. But if she wants to protect this mark, she needs to file with the United States Patent and Trademark Office, and then she needs to determine how she should protect it and who she should protect it from. I personally would go ahead and send a cease and desist letter from McDonald's and see if I can get some coins out of them if I were her. You never know. Sponsorship deal, employment opportunities, just cut her a check. But there are things that she would need to do first. And if you're a business owner and you got stuff you need to handle, call a good trademark lawyer.